Tuesday, June 20th, 2:11 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. This is a review of my scalping for the day with the S&P 500 futures. I did 3 trades. All 3 were bearish, aka short. 3 trades, 1 loser, 2 winners, green for the day. Thank goodness. Looking at the 1-minute chart, because I scalp on the 1-minute chart, S&P 500 futures. See right here, cash indexes are currently red. The sectors, most of them are red. The FANG Plus stocks, mixed. And right here, indicators. So we have here the New York session, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Red vertical lines. Here's where I took my shorts, and that white vertical line is where I closed them. So let's zoom in. Since I got done around 10 a.m., let's zoom in there. Let's go forward a little bit. That's good enough. Let's go from the 8:30. Let's actually take it from the 9 a.m. First short was here, this red candle. Looking again here, the 1-minute chart. I like to see consolidations, and I like breakouts of the consolidations. So this was a consolidation. Yep. I was trading as a contrarian. The trend was up. The current trend was up, and I was looking for a bearish trade because I was bearish bias this morning. I'll show you that in momentarily what had me bearish bias. But in consolidations, I'm looking for breakouts. So here we had that breakout. Went short, and look at that. Here it got closed. That's good. So my short time was in at 9:40 and 39 seconds. Yep, that's when I got short, and closed it here 9:41, 49 seconds. So what, a minute and a few seconds, give or take? Yeah, that worked out good. I left some money on the table, and then it went against me. Again, these are 1-minute candles. That's scalping. If I was in the 5-minute candles, 15-minute candles, 1-minute candles trading, you would have more of this volatility. Again, then I need to risk more because there's a chance it would have gone the other side. So again, I'm scalping here on the 1 minute. Coming into the next trade here, I took short. It was an acceleration here. Had a bearish pin bar here. I liked it because, again, we had a sell-off there. Current trend was a retracement, consolidation. Again, these candles were not like that when I was in the trade because it wasn't completed yet. Yeah. So I was thinking, okay, that's it. We have midpoint here. We tested it, and it's going to do that. But it didn't. It closed like that. So that was a loser. Went in at 9:46 and 7 seconds and got stopped out here on this big move up. Stop out was 9:48.27. Yeah. And then it rolled over. Like, really? Yeah. Okay. So my next short was here. That was at 9:52, 53 seconds, and was in that for a little bit. Closed at 9:55, 24 seconds. Yeah. So most of these were more than 1 minute. Wow. Impressive. Okay. So that one, yeah, that was a good one. So that was a good profit. Then here, I was pretty much flat. Most of it went back. My gains that were made down here, most of it got lost there. And that third trade, very nice. Yeah. I was green. Closed, done for the day. Green for the day. Yeah. Again, I didn't close exactly at the bottoms. Nope. But again, look, they went against me. I mean, sorry, the trends changed. Yeah. And look at that, kind of going lower, lower, lower. So let's look at this on the higher time frame now. Let's go look at the 4-hour. Well, first for the daily was a red candle. The daily was trending lower, low, but we're going to look at the 4-hour. So we had this Friday, Sunday. Remember, Monday was closed. And then I see this during this session. Maybe I'll do this some more. I saw this big rejection candle here. So the trend was down, very bearish. We had this inside candle, which was hollow, equivalent to a green. But I was thinking, yeah, maybe we might test this big round number, this red horizontal line, 44.50. But again, I'm still bearish because this strength down here and that big wick there. And it turned out to be right. Yeah. That going forward, look at this huge red candle. That was from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's already done. Going to the 1 hour. Yep. So I'm watching this on 1 hour prior to getting my trades. I'm seeing the Asian session here, London session here, tight consolidation, Asian session, London session, big sell-off. And then I see this retracement between the London session and the New York session here on weakness. Big impulse move down, almost solid body. This retracement, I'm looking bearish. I'm looking possibly again to do shorts around the 44.50, but it never made it up there. Nope. Zoom in some more. And then you see, you're going to see this on 15-minute. Look at these huge sell-offs. Good, that was bearish bias. And even this retracement here, big green candle, that's strong. But now here you got this rejection there. All right, let's take it to the 15 minutes. You can see better. 15-minute, again, the Asian session here. London session here. Look, the high. Do I have that right? Let's double check. Yeah. So that was the Asian session high. London session high. Almost touched it. Zoom in some more. On the 15-minute, the New York session, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. When I say New York session, I'm not talking about the cash market. I'm talking about the futures New York session, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. for the morning. Like you say, mostly the FOREX. So look at this blue horizontal line, prior day open. Yep, that was the, prior day low. That was the low of Friday. So let me zoom out so you can see again. We had the low of Friday that we, inside here, understand this. Asian session broke it. London session broke it. And then between the London session leading into New York, they grind back up there. Okay, so I'm thinking, yeah, it's a fake out. It's a fake out. They're grinding back up there. I was already looking bearish bias. And that's what they did. They grinded back up there. Let's take it to the 5-minute now. Here we are, the 5 minutes. Zoom in. Zoom in some more. 6 a.m. 12:30. Actually, let's take it 7 a.m. 12. Okay, on the 5 minutes. With that New York session, we had that prior low of Friday, that blue horizontal line. Look at that. Many tests here. And then coming close to the 9. At 8:30 at economic news, they brought it up, popped it above that prior day low, and that's it. Looks like mostly distribution. And then finally, they sold off. So even through the New York session, which was 9:30, right here, this first green candle, 9:30, they never got it back up there. 5 minute, 15. The first 3 15-minute candles, this green one, red one. Yeah, good. And I traded bearish. So on the 5 minute, in hindsight, yeah, if I trade short and kept it open all the way down here, well, that's easy to say. That would have been a huge winner. But again, there was a lot of volatility in more of these, and I have to have a bigger stop, risking more. But I'm scalping. Why would I want to risk more? That's not the thing of scalping. You don't risk more. Tight stops.